ABC Educational Channel. Hi everyone. Welcome to our English speaking practice. Today we'll learn simply daily sentences you can use every day at home, at school, or with your friends. Let's speak English together and have fun. Are you okay? Are you okay? Don't be sad. Don't be sad. I'm tired. I'm tired. Have some water. Have some water. Don't touch. Don't touch. Come inside. Come inside. Don't yell. Don't yell. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Stand up. Stand up. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. What happened? What happened? Close the door. Close the door. Take a breath. Take a breath. Look at this. Look at this. Be quiet. Be quiet. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Don't run. Don't run. Wake up. Wake up. What's your step? What's your step? Don't cry. Don't cry. Give me that. Give me that. Let's go. Let's go. Please wait. Please wait. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Be careful. Be careful. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Call me later. Call me later. Listen to me. Listen to me. Say something. Say something. It's okay. It's okay. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Hurry up. Hurry up. Slow down. Slow down. Don't move. Don't move. Be nice. Be nice. Let's eat. Let's eat. Look over there. Look over there. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Stay strong. Stay strong. Don't push. Don't push. Come here. Come here. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Say sorry. Say sorry. Don't lie. Don't lie. Time to go. Time to go. Turn around. Turn around. Don't argue. Don't argue. Keep trying. Keep trying. Stop talking. Stop talking. Read this. Read this. Follow me. Follow me. Pick it up. Pick it up. Write the town. Write the town. Smile more. Smile more. Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Stay calm. Stay calm. Don't be rude. be rude. Look at me. Look at me. Sit properly. Sit properly. Be kind. Be kind. Don't fight. Don't fight. Take your time. Take your time. Stay here. Stay here. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Come back soon. Come back soon. Take care. Take care. Great job, little speakers. You did amazing practicing your English today. Keep speaking every day to get better and more confident. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time. Bye-bye.